Your customers don't care about your supply chain woes. They care about on-time delivery and knowing their order status. But legacy software can leave you blind to demand spikes, inventory shortages, and shipment delays. And that can leave your customers and partners hanging. There's a better way. The AI-enabled Oracle Fusion Cloud Supply Chain and Manufacturing Suite delivers everything you need to keep operations running smoothly. From product development to supply chain planning, from manufacturing to order management, procurement, and logistics. And with the agility to respond fast, safeguarding customer trust and your profitability. The engine? AI and your data. A fleet of AI agents is ready to get to work, no extra cost. And Oracle Fusion Cloud SCM goes further with agentic applications that reason across your supply chain data, can understand your goals, and execute the steps needed to get them done, such as analyzing product specifications to identify qualified suppliers and execute RFQs, or surfacing fulfillment actions and assessing risks before they can impact execution. Have unique processes? Easily craft custom AI agents and agentic applications tailored to your business with Oracle AI Agent Studio. It's all connected by Oracle's Fusion Data Intelligence. Choose from extensive analytics, pull in data from key external sources, and go beyond dashboards and reports to AI-driven decisions. With Oracle Supply Chain and Manufacturing, your most critical supply chain needs are handled. Automate your way to maximum productivity, glide past disruptions, evaluate suppliers so operations run at full capacity, navigate global trade regulations so borders never become barriers. What will you make with Oracle?